fine, fresh, fast, blah, 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 not doing that one. Number 4, vocal warm-ups. Probably the most popular. When warming up, there are more technical voice skills you need to work on developing, such as phrasing, power speaking, enunciation, pronunciation, and articulation. Not everyone is a professional voice actor, so you gotta be aware of how you're pronouncing your words, your intones, as well as delivering your speech. Your voice speaks volumes about you. It defines who you are. And if you do it well enough, good enough, your audience is going to know who you are when they hear your voice. Audiences expect to hear clear, quality content. So if you want to voice act professionally for organizations or corporations, the voice acting needs to be top tier caliber. The expectation is high, and it exists so that the voice acting is at a professional caliber. You don't want to be that person, that actor, that wastes their time, wastes their money, and is a bad story they tell to the rest of the team. It's not a good look. So when doing your vocal warm-ups, it's kind of depending on which time of the day you're going to do your recording sessions. Let's say you're doing it in the morning time. It might be best to kind of start off with, a couple of humming or mumming. What that's going to do is that's going to really start to massage the vocal cords, especially because you got that groggly sound when you wake up in the morning. So it's good to just do a nice hum, just Now you can do this in scales, or you could just do it simply. When I say scale, you're either going to start off at a higher tone and work your way down to a lower tone, or a higher pitch and then you're going to go to a lower pitch, or you start off on a lower pitch and you go to a higher pitch. So doing the scale with the hum, lower tones are going to start in your chest, and the higher tones, you're going to bring them up into your head. Placement. So you could do that, or you could just do a simple a nice, gentle exercise to get yourself started. All right, so after you start to, get that groggly sound out of your, your voice and your throat, what you're going to need to start working on is enunciation workouts. So enunciation workouts are going to help you speak clearly. That way the audience can really understand what your character is saying or what you are saying when you're reading the script. So what you could do in those enunciation workouts, you could do the PTKT, which is the p-t-k-t. So that kind of works with the plosives, like words like really strong B's or P sounds, or not really so much of the S's, but definitely the B's and the P's. So you do the PTKT, pa-ta-ka-ta, 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 pa-ta-ka-ta. Now you can start to go faster. Pa-ta-ka-ta, 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 pa-ta-ka-ta. Now you can start to go faster. Pa-ta-ka-ta, 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 pa-ta-ka-ta. So it kind of really works with whatever you really want to go with it. You can start off slow, then start to go faster. You can start off fast, go down slow. Totally up to you. Next one you're going to do is BDGD, which is ba-da-ga-da. 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 Ba-da-ga-da, 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 ba-da-ga-da. See it? Starting to make sense? All right, that's how I do. Let's rock! Next one would be the wee-wah. The wee-wah is the one that I would recommend to work on your pitches with. So wee-wah, 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 wee-wah. It kind of sounds like an ambulance siren, maybe like a police car siren or a fire truck siren. The, wee-wah, 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 wee-wah. So wee-wah, 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 wee-wah. Wee-wah, 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 wee-wah. Wee-wah, 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 wee-wah. Start to play with that and pay attention to how your wording the words and how you sound when you're doing the putta kutta, butta gutta, and the wee wah. So another exercise that's really gonna help with your enunciation is gonna be trills or lip trills. So how you can do that is you're really gonna start to roll that lip. So that's normal speed. Now you can go faster. I look really weird doing it, so if you laugh at me, I'm gonna find you guys and I'm gonna fight you. And you'll probably beat me up because I suck at fighting. Another lip trill you could do is by putting the tongue on the top of your mouth and rolling it. That's gonna do your T's and your R's. That's really, really, really going to loosen up your tongue. And the reason why loosening up your tongue and getting that nice and relaxed is so important is because we're gonna be moving on to articulation workouts. The tongue is described as being the most strongest muscle in your body and plays a very high-class principal role in speech and in your voice acting. It is one of the most critical parts in your articulation arsenal. Your tongue can really make you or break you in voice acting. That is why it is so important to warm it up as well. Now moving on to presumably and possibly the most popular and the most funnest, I don't even think funnest is a word, but it is now, add that to the dictionary, people. The most popular workouts any voice actor, any singer could ever do, and that is called tongue twisters. So now that we're doing exercises that's helping us speak distinctively, we're also adding on moving and non-moving parts of our face, such as our lips, our teeth, our mouth, our tongue. Everything is involved, everything is engaged, especially when you're doing tongue twisters like these exercises for articulation. These are functions of how our vocal creators start to work together to create and make sounds. So here's a couple of fun tongue twisting exercises that you can do. First one, very simple, very easy. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. Eddie edited it. I said Eddie edited it. I said Eddie edited it. I said Eddie edited it. Hey, hey! Woo! Got a little too crazy up in here. I had to shut it down. Let's go! How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh, damn, let's go! I thought of thinking of thanking you. 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 A big black bug bit a big black bear. A big black bug bit a big black bear. A big black bug bit a big black bear. A big black bug bit a big black bear. Did you know that a big black bug bit a big black bear? You didn't know that. Unique New York, 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 unique New York. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? I got a date at 7:45, so I'll see you at the gate and don't be late. I got a date at 7:45, so I'll see you at the gate and don't be late. I got a date at 7:45, so I'll see you at the gate and don't be late. Go! Let's go! Woo! So now that you got all of your warming up exercises nice and done, you got your body warm-ups, you got your breathing warm-ups, you got your facial warm-ups, and your vocal warm-ups, you are all ready and set to start recording, start voice acting, start doing what you love, start doing what you came to this channel to do, and you know it, and you love it, so get onto it, start rocking, kill that day, make sure that they know your name, make sure that they know that you are awesome, and you are gonna be awesome. Again, I am your host, RileyChaseFox, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I don't know why you guys watch my videos, but you do, and if you guys wanna see more content like this, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. If you do not hit the notification bell, you are not gonna get notified when I upload a video. So if you click it, then you're gonna know as soon as I upload a video. So go ahead and do it. Until next week, I will see you later. Peace out. Deuces. For fine, fresh, fast, blah, 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 not doing that one.